Craig, listen to me. Would it be cool if I drill a hole in this to put this in here?
Okay.
So this bend is like this to this.
Okay.
And that will support this.
Okay. And then add another thing?
And then I can do this and then add another thing off of it.
With this. I think that's a good idea.
Would it make more sense for me to make something? Because I don't think we're going to be able to buy something that's going to work. Unless we run to the hardware store and see what they got.
You want a skull?
Absolutely every time. Bro, turn the page.
Some of these are just
Father of Ted.
crazy.
Someone will buy them. Father of Ted.
That's it? That's all we got?
Front brake cable handlebar clip?
Front brake cable handle. How wrong is it to just sandwich it?
Well, that's actually not a terrible idea either.
I know eventually it'll...
I mean, I could drill through here and we could bolt it. But I think it would interrupt the
Blade?
tail light.
I don't really want to cover that tip.
You don't want to cover this?
I feel like that's
You
weird.
want to go low? I mean, if I make the clamps that are on the black bike, it sits off sissy bar. It doesn't touch the sissy bar.
I want to look at those.
Take a walk. Let's take a field trip.
Okay, alright, okay.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah. Those are pretty neat.
Yeah.
Stop it.
What, dude?
Just like,
Come on.
Excessive, you know?
Sometimes it itches, dude. I want to look. What? I can't look at my friends while I itch. Is that not chill?
I don't think that's what we're saying.
What are you saying?
I don't know.
Let me touch my face a few times to figure this out. Why don't? All right. I'll make a fixture.
Okay.
Bend this piece up. All right.
You gotta make a fixture?
I gotta fixture it. We gotta fixture it. Just bend up a couple pieces of metal and see what happens.
Okay. Alright.
it beats a trip to the hardware store.
It beats a trip to the hardware store. It gives us something to film. You know, it makes people think that we actually know what we're doing once in a while.
Well, this moment in time makes us look like we don't.
This moment of time, and then we can just bolt it like the way that this is mounted right through here.
You got it all figured out.
You co-signing that?
I don't really have a choice, I think.
Father of Steve, tell me why is he gay?
Wow.
Just trying to make a fixture, but he's being gay.
If I'm gay, it's because of you, right?
Your homosexuality is because of me?
Yeah.
That you're gonna blame me for that?
Yeah, it's not like if you're only like
You're only as good
as
as
your friends or something like that.
You're only as straight as the last dude
You
kissed.
you
Yeah.
become what you surround yourself with.
Right, which is homos.
Yeah. Do I have to censor that out?
Yes. We can't put that in.
Okay.
They will demonetize us.
I don't actually know.
Stop swearing.
You don't have to put this part in.
You just said
Beep, beep,
Suck,
beep,
suck
beep.
suck my ass, suck my ass, come in my ass, come in my.
And I'm gay.
Bro, you are gay.
Please comment below if you think I am overweight. Maybe that's a mistake. Tell me what I already know, please. I do need to lose weight.
so salads for dinner.
For my kids, you know? For my kids. Yeah. Burgers?
What's up?
I said so salads for dinner. He said yeah. Burgers.
Should I make it out of aluminum?
Seems like that.
Is that the Terminator theme?
That's what it is, right?
Today,
Same thing, but no.
So Sperminator?
Sperm.
The Sperminator.
That's the Sperminator team.
Do that and connect it.
Are you gonna mount it to the tail light or where the license plate mounts? Them two holes.
These two holes are where the tail light mounts.
Because from back here, it almost looks like you could go here to this bolt with a plate, and same thing off the bottom.
I mean, I could, like,
That's why I asked about the bottom of the
like I
license
could
plate
cut,
mount.
I could cut this so there's like, you know, more material behind it, just so it's not like being supported just by those two bolts. It's actually kind of being supported down here too. And then I could just weld pieces off of that. Like I think if I come off of here and like here or here, I think can make something work.
I don't think there's a wrong way.
No, I know. I'm just trying to like get it make sense and not look like shit.
You feel me, my gut?
I can't. You're a lot taller than me, so I gotta like get the angles right, the Instagram angles. Slim everybody down a bit. What do you want him to do?
Do it. Shot it off, do it.
Do it!
Just do it! Not Nike. Just Shia LaBeouf, do it. Scream at yourself. Scream at me. Scream at Andy.
Do it.
DoorDash and a Land Rover?
That whole situation was DoorDash in the Land Rover, didn't speak English, because now you have to give like a pin to them. She was like, Quattro, and had her
Four
kid was in the
digit
car.
If I cut this,
Fly
right,
came out in 1997.
What's it?
Fly.
which was there. There's one. I took a what? Craig, listen to me. Would it be cool if I drill a hole in this to put this in here?
Okay.
So this bend is like this to this.
Okay.
And that will support this.
Okay. And then add another thing?
And then I can do this and then add another thing off of it.
With this. I think that's a good idea, actually. This part. To make it look the same.
To make it look the same and to, that way it's not like obnoxious.
No, I like that.
Or I could,
No, I don't like that.
you don't like that?
No.
Okay,
It looks
do,
like unplanned.
yeah, do this.
Yes. That's the move.
That's the move.
Yes.
Yeah, and then, I mean, I can leave this a little longer if we want.
Honestly, you could leave it all the way, because what does it matter? Just a little bit shorter.
Right, and I can machine the end and then weld this to
Yes.
here.
Yes.
And then just, if we need to, I could do a little standoff. I think that'll look sick.
I think that's fine.
Okay.
We've come a long way.
Great.
We've come a long way.
I mean, this is kind of how it's got to be when it's shotgun, you know? But to him, at the end,
He's gonna laugh.
we'll have put a lot of thought into it.
Yeah.
Support your local time temple. Support your local time temple.
You're not gonna see it. But what do you think, Andy?
I don't know. It's hard to tell from here.
You're not gonna see it from out back.
Now, what are you gonna do with the other one? Bend it
Just bend it in to connect it.
so it'll be like a square block on the back.
Yeah, or I could bend it like diagonal so it comes off of here horizontally like this. Like. Or I could just do what I was originally going to do and just bend it 90 right to here. It's just, if this is going to wobble out here, so connecting it all the way out like even if I bent it from there all the way to there, well, if this is this long and I weld all this to it, the support's there. It's basically just getting it to not do this.
Yeah.
So if
It's not gonna, I don't think, if you put anything along here.
that's what I'm saying, as long as I bend this,
Yeah, I'm just saying you don't have to go all the way out here.
no, I could just bend it right to the middle or
Yeah.
right to whatever, wherever. I think that'll be fine. You gotta take away the big obnoxious pieces of metal that are sticking.
Yeah, I think it's as long as it's like
Because
tight.
this is gonna be like this, but then it's gonna have this on top of it
Yeah.
to block everything. You know,
As long
it's gonna make way more sense.
from right here, it just looks atrocious.
You know, I could even do a 90-degree bend straight across.
I like the angle. I think it would look better.
I think the angle would look a little better too, and just take it from like all the way back here and let it just bend all the way to here,
and then just weld it.
and then weld it to this,
Yeah.
and then this
Yeah.
gets all welded here, and then it's two pieces connected. We don't have to have anything else here, you know, and then the wires can come right off of this and run right along here and right up there. Huh?
We're making you look like a Street Fighter character.
Oh, great. Blanca?
Yeah, definitely Blanca.
Blanca, dude?
Dude, leave them long. Kickstand. Boom.
I thought you were gonna bend it, or bend it.
I am. I'm just trying to look at, like, you think, like, try to bend it that close to, like, here? Or you think just do it, like, 90 right to it?
I don't know.
I think the angle's gotta be it. I think the
I
90s.
like the angle and have it not centered, but have it kind of out.
I know what you're saying.
I was thinking it threads into something. There's a bolt in the back. Hey, I don't do fab. All right. I'd be cool too if I had a lathe at home, but
You just do fat.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's fucked up, Tubby.
Hey, man.
Who's talking shit
We
now?
were fucking throwing.
They ain't talking about my love
They're
handles on
throwing
the
shade,
internet.
dude.
All right.
Let's get you on camera, see what they say.
They call me a leprechaun. I'd rather be. They were thin leprechauns, all right.
You're mythological creatures.
I've always been this way. They can't shit on my weight.
Dude, speak your truth, bro.
I was gonna say, you just do fag.
Can you help?
He doesn't really want to.
We need real pins.
You're telling me, bro. We don't have time to make real pins, unfortunately.
No time at all.
There's at least 40 minutes tonight spent on phones.
Hammer this back with something. Get a hammer. Nope. That's enough.
You're doing great.
Sorry. Just trying to see what makes the most sense to bend it. Bend it to that, around that pin or around this pin? Just bend it.
Just go for it.
Let's go for it.
Tell me when to stop.
Go, go. Go, 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 go. You got it. You got, put the 250 in it. Go, go, go. Keep going a little more. Yeah. Let's try that. Let's try that. I think that'll work.
Not bad.
I think that'll work. Mark it, weld it together, and call it a mount.
Sure. You're gonna weld it, and it's weld it on there.
Huh?
Weld it on there.
Yeah. I will.
Okay. I was gonna say you're gonna weld it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, I will.
smells like a dog inside of you and then you shit it out.
I had whatever John had the last time.
Dude,
What's wrong?
are you crazy right now? Are you being fucking crazy?
You
right
came
now?
over here, alright?
Are you out of your mind, dude?
Can you make AI see the smell?
No.
The only bummer part of this
whole thing?
is going to be this whole thing, but you can rotate the wheel to get to the holes and the whatchamahoo's it. Oh, that burnt really bad. I mean, it'll be cool because the mounts will be hidden. Yeah, that'll look good.
I think so.
Andy, you want to
What do you need?
half-inch wrench?
They're over here on this bench. Oh shit.
No.
Short?
You just gotta bend it in more. Until it meets it.
Do you feel pretty cyberpunk today?
I only feel cyberpunk every day.
You want to mark it?
I just want to sand it back a little bit. That's perfect. I think that'll look good.
All that.
Ball it. I was gonna, and then I'm like, it's gonna all be welded.
You gonna weld the whole fucking thing?
No, but I'm gonna weld a good amount of it. You know what I mean? Should I cut it there? It might look better cut off there.
Yeah.
Well, then let me weld all this, and then I'll cut that off. Or I should mark it, cut it, and machine it. I should mark it, cut it, machine the end of this. I'll ball that. And then if we need to come off of here, I can come off.
We'll assess that.
We'll assess it, yeah, we'll just see how it is. Because, I mean, it being welded like this, I don't think it's going to need much. And he'll never f***ing hit this. This is going to be way higher up than, you know, like if he leans.
It might hit. The floorboards will hit before.
The floorboards and the primary would hit before this. Cool. That's good. Let's do that. I'm going to come an inch off of the end of that.
You put the goatee on and you take it off.
That is fucking ridiculous. Little faggot with his little faggots with his MG. This stuff, dude, you think that is sick. I give you $100 to make something better.
Okay. Teach me how to use the tools first.
That would be an impossibility, sir.
Wow.
I don't even know how to use them.
It does, from this angle without that on there, look insane.
Yeah. You want to say goodbye?
Goodbye. Over there?
I felt that.
Where are they?
I heard another one.
I heard it.
No way that was a firework. That was like a fucking stick of dynamite. That's what it sounded like when I was like 10 feet away from a real firework, not like
I
all
felt
the
it.
way over here.
In my bones.
That's like something exploding.
Everyone was unfazed.
Yeah, nothing stopped.